How to fix my Binance account. Now, first of all, open the Binance app and log in with your email or phone and password. If it's not opening or keeps crashing, update the app first from the Play Store. Now go and open your Play Store from here, as you can see. And now in the search, type the Binance. Now type Binance and select it. So as you can see, if you see the update here, you just click on it. So for me, I update the app. Now step number 2, check for alerts or messages. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner, and if Binance restricted or froze your account, you will see a red alert or message there. Step number 3, complete or redo verification KYC. Now go to your profile and identification. So I am verified. So for you, you will be able to see non-verified in red. And after that, you can click on it and make sure KYC, it says verification failed or pending, and tap on it and follow the steps. Upload the valid ID, take a selfie, clear and without the glasses, and submit and wait. Now after that, check security settings. So now go to security. It's by typing or tapping on your name, and now click on security. And now make sure the 2FA is enabled, as you can see, and with Google Authenticator SMS is by click on Authenticator app, as you can see here. Now just by click on it. Now you can tap on enable to enable it, and enable the SMS by clicking on the phone number to be able to enable the SMS. And now if you see the warning, tap secure my account. Now after that, fix withdrawal deposit issue. Now go to your wallet, funding or spot, tap the icon, check if it's suspended. Now Binance might have paused that token on network, and for fiat issue, make sure your bank payment method is supported on your country. Now clear cache app if it's buggy. Now how to do that? Now just by opening your app or your profile and tap on this settings gear. And now scroll down and you will be able to see this clear cache. Now tap on it and now click on yes. Now, as you can see, so after you click or you clear the cache, you can reinstall the app if it's still lagging after that. Now, after that, if all of that not working, you can contact the Binance support. It's by going to the settings gear, as you can see. Now scroll down and click on the help and support, and now click on help center. And now as you can see here, you can submit your support ticket if chat doesn't solve it. So this is how to fix my Binance account. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.